going to make quesadillas for dinner. Oh, no, you don't. This is my time. Get out of the kitchen. I rent the place. Out. Joke's on you, Fergie. I haven't gone grocery shopping in 2 weeks. Let's see if you find anything to put together other than quesadillas and some cereal. We shall see. Would you listen to that nonsense to say she... Wait, did she say she hasn't gone grocery shopping in 2 weeks? Oh, dear. Come on, there must be something I can use. Something tasty and fabulous and delicious. Oh, I've got it. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple, tasty snack that you can put in your lunch. Especially if you're trying to slim off that winter fat for its summer, whenever summer happens to happen for you. I forgot what I wanted to say next, so I'm just gonna look cute until I remember it. Oh, yes! We are making a lovely cucumber sandwich. And all you need are 3 simple ingredients to make this sandwich. Bread. I've got some lovely white bread here, but any kind of bread you find should work. I just like the way that the white looks. It makes me think of British tea time, and, well, I don't like grains in my bread. It's so icky. Then you will also need a cucumber. Of course, how can you have a cucumber sandwich without a cucumber? And last but not least, you will need some cream cheese. Now we have everything we need to get started. But first, we are going to need a couple of knives to make this. I'm just gonna come over here and get our 2 kinds of knives. 1 butter knife for the cream cheese, and 1 sharp knife to cut the cucumber. Wait, where are the butter knives? Oh, yeah, I forgot. What did you do? I haven't done the dishes yet either this week. You monster! Well, fine, I guess I'll be using a sharp knife for both the cucumber and the cream cheese. Let's get to cutting. The first thing we're gonna do is get out our 2 slices of bread. I can almost reach it. There. Now we will take the cream cheese and put it onto the bread. My fur keeps getting in the camera shot. There. I did that. All May. No help. The next step is to wash your cucumber right here. The hard part is making sure your fur doesn't get wet. Ow, my fur got wet. All right, now our next step is we're gonna cut up our lovely cucumber here. Wait, don't you need a cutting board for that? Ugh, shut up, Bambi. What do you know about cooking? You're from England. Wait a second. That's an insult. Look at that. It's smooth. It's beautiful. It's the fine precision that only a perfect sharp knife can give you. Just like my words, they are made of steel. And now we're gonna take our cucumber and put it on our sandwich. Perfect. Now we put the last piece of bread on. And there you have it. See, look at this perfection. Wouldn't you eat this? No, it doesn't look too appetizing. What do you know about cooking? You know nothing. You know about the wonder and the delicacies of this world? No, I'm a polar bear. I eat meat. Good grief, read a book. And there you have it. A perfect, delicious cucumber sandwich. Provided to you by yours truly, the master, the queen of scavenger cooking, Fergie. Tune in next time when I look around and find more tasty treats to make that you will now watch me eat. Ready? You're gonna watch me eat this now. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, great, you packed my lunch for me. Thanks. Now I don't have to do it. What just happened? What just happened? Did she just steal my sandwich? Well, if you like this, make sure to put a pause up and press that like button. And don't forget to comment and subscribe as well. Make sure you comment if you don't want any more sandwich stealing, bad, no good bosses on this show. Honestly. Was that a jab at me? Yes, of course it was. You stole my sandwich. You weren't gonna eat it. That's beside the point. Ugh! Where did my knife go? Where did my knife go? I need to unleash this rage. Yeah. See all you lovelies later. Mwah, mwah. I love each and every one of you. Give me my knife.
Where is it? I will find it. Give it to me. Who took it from me? Who took it? This place is a bit of a madhouse. I'm gonna like it here.